Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I see you. You're already doing hard work every single day. You're wiping tears, you're managing chaos, cooking meals, holding your family together. You, my friend, are a superhero. But what if that same energy could actually build a business that pays you even while you sleep? Let's talk about whether digital marketing can really pay you enough to live the life you've always dreamt of. And if it's worth your time as a busy, burnt out mom who's ready for a way out, you have to stick around to the very end because I'll introduce you to busy moms just like you who are living the dream lives. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi. I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Now, digital marketing is not just for techies. Those days are gone. It's 2025. It's all about helping businesses grow online using content marketing, social media, email marketing, and you can actually use these skills to build your business as well. And this is so important because as a business, you have to be where your target audience is. And everybody is glued to this right here, right? People are online. So it's very important to learn how to bridge that gap between you and your target audience. And as moms, you already have that marketing instinct, right? You just don't know how to monetize it yet. How many times have you recommended a movie, a restaurant to a friend? Every single day, right? So the income potential, what you can actually make is priceless. It's unlimited, right? That you're only limited by your imagination, especially if you decide to go in all in as a business owner and actually get paid all the commissions, 100% commissions, and not just a tiny percentage. So I want to share with you real moms who are actually making it in the digital marketing space. But before I do, let's just talk about what determines your income, right? It's all about learning high income skills because your results will always follow your skill set and your mindset. So commit to learning skills like social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing. I'll put my hand up right now. I am focused on long form video. I've been doing this for years. I have it in the bag, but I'm focused on learning short form videos, right? How I can get to a stage where I'm just rolling short form videos off the tip of my tongue, and then I want to learn live, going live, be able to do that as well, right? So it's all about making that commitment this year, this month, this week. I'm going to focus on learning this high income skills, and the number of the potential out there is endless because there's billions and billions of people on social media who are on social media in general, and then a percentage of that are actually looking for ways to make money online, looking to learn how to market online the right way. So consistency is key, right? Consistency is key. And I was in this breakout room where I realized by speaking to others that that's my problem, consistency, right? We all start, type consistency in the comments if you have the same problem, because we all start, we're like, yes, I'm going to do this, right? But over time, life really gets in the way. So can you actually make money online as a busy mom? Yes, you can, because as long as you have the internet and the device, you can work your business around your family. So you already on social media right now, liking, scrolling, and commenting for no reason. Why not turn that time into income producing activity time, right? So you don't need to, there's no commuting, and you can get started for as little as $100 one time as well. So you already juggling millions and billions of things. What about channeling channeling that one thing that builds you income and gives you that freedom that you deserve. So let me go ahead and share with you our bonus site of this live interactive coaching and mentorship program that I got into. This program was created by she's a multi-millionaire. She's a mother to 6 children, grandmother to 5. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in 17 months. In 3 years, she's earned $6 million, and we actually experiencing, seeing her life change over time. I've been part of this program since last year, and I've seen her absolutely just live the life of her dreams, right? So let me go ahead and share my screen here and introduce you to, this is the bonus, right? This is not the actual blueprint. This is a bonus site. It's extra. So you can see here, yesterday was Sunday. Today's Monday, right? I spent a couple of hours going through all these hooks and then putting them together into turning them into content, right? I literally have more than a half a year's worth of content that's ready for me to go. I'm so excited. I told you I'm on a mission. I'm focused on learning short form videos, right? How to create short form videos. And this just, I'm just so, I'm fired up by what I did yesterday by using the tools that were given to me from the community, right? From this bonus site. So here is, we have over 54,000 paid members. Where are these paid members? I'm here in Ireland, they're in Africa, they're in South America, North America, Europe, Asia, Indonesia. They're literally everywhere in the world we have people, right? So, okay, I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, this is Dublin. And this calendar here, what I love about this program is even though it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, we actually get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6- and 7-figure mentors. So it's a good job I decided to check here if everything was okay, because I actually stopped sharing my screen, accidentally stopped sharing my screen. I'd have had to create this video all over again. So here, the live interactive this week, right? We have social media training with Amy. Amy is a 6-figure mentor, and she was working 2 jobs, single mother of 3 children. She was able to quit her job and focus on this business. Now she teaches us tools and tips. We have technical call. We have training on how to support your customers. It's absolutely priceless. And this classroom here, again, this is our bonus site, right? And we have all this extra training. The 90-day sprint is absolutely powerful. Last night was Sunday, right? Did I say that? I spent Sunday going through this training here, how to break down the 2-hour workday, because this program teaches you how to focus 2 hours a day building your business, right? So I went through this. We have a cheat sheet here, and I turned this into content, right? That's there lined up for me to go. And then here she was talking about the automated sales process, how powerful it is, and how we can use this to create content. I spent yesterday setting this up, so I have all the content ready for me to go. And then here, we actually get paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to us. And here she's talking about how we can create content, sharing the value of that. And then I've lined this up as well, and I'm actually good to go. And this is going to be my priceless bonus that I'm going to give my people, where I'll give them all this content, not just hooks. I'll give them everything that they need for, I'll say 90 days, but I have more than 90 days. They just have to follow whatever I'm doing, right? Very, very powerful. This is my favorite. Oh, by the way, this here is our multi-millionaire. She takes us by the hand and walks us step by step every single day for 90 days, giving us tips and tricks on how to build our business. This helps us stay accountable and focused on building our business, right? So we're on day 57 of this 90-day run. absolutely priceless. What would you pay to have a multi-millionaire send you a video every day, between 5 minutes on average, right? Sending you a video to help you stay focused on building your business. We have free webinar details and resources because we have webinars that our multi-millionaire does, and she gives us resources to help us promote those webinars. We have mindset training from our six-figure hypnotherapist who helps us get rid of that stinking thinking. But she just doesn't tell you stuff, right? She gives you exercises to do to help you get rid of that stinking thinking, because the biggest difference between people who are making it and not is mindset. 80% mindset. We have social media training, we have mentoring Zoom replays, we have some members who are in six figures in 6 months. They show us what they did, and we have a content vault where we can download that content and upload it onto our social media. And then we have our community with all our wins in here. If you're wondering what kind of money can you earn as a digital marketing, let me show you. Christy, just 8 hours ago, right? Christy said she made $600 while having lunch today. That lunch was paid for and desserts and everything. And she's made $45,000 in 11 months, right? She says, God is good. Congratulations to Christy, by the way. Michelle, this was back in May. She said, holy guacamole. She made $8,800 in 3 months. Don't ask me when I purchased a program. Ask me when I got serious. I love it. I love it. I love it. Clark, join the community. My website is live. I'm looking for financial wins, right? Christy, April, got my second $900 sale for this week, right? In 1 week, she got the second $900 sale. I knew if I stayed consistent, posting 3 times a day and going live once a day, the system I was working for will work for me, okay? John, 19 hours ago, $300 paying while on a photo shoot. I would have generated $47,000 on remote since March 2025, right? March till March, April, May, June, July. So 4 months, $47,000. Janadine, 3 days ago, my second sale. I can't believe I have a second sale 4 days after my first $300 sale. And hashtag don't give up. Congratulations. Kayla, 3 days ago, my first sale. I wanted to share that she joined end of April and I received $900. My son just said that's so much money, it's crazy. Imagine the what she's showing her son, what's possible, right? Just got a sale today and so on and so forth. So this is our community, right? We have a thriving community of over 54,000 members who are there to support you, lift you up in any way that they can. And then we have a proven step-by-step blueprint, which is separate to this bonus site that takes you by the hand and walks you step by step, showing you how to build a successful digital business. We have 90-day runs where a multi-millionaire takes you by the hand, walks you through step by step, can help you stay accountable and focused on building your business. We have mindset training, skill set training, social media training. We have mentoring calls. The calls you can unmute yourself, get live coaching, you get put into breakout rooms. It's absolutely priceless. Now, this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, type blueprint in the comments so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. Now, it will be delivered to your email. Check your spam, check your promotional folder, and once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I am here to help you make an informed decision. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.